Okay, welcome to this episode in our series on computer vision and deep learning with Python. In the previous video, I showed you how to set up your development environment, and then we installed NumPy, Matplotlib, opencv, and opencv contrib. Okay, now in this video, I'm going to show you how to load images with opencv, because essentially before you can do any computer vision operations, or you can perform any computer vision operations on images or videos, you should have loaded some image into memory. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show you. So let me just create a file. I'm going to create a file called app.py. Okay, and so when I list, you see my env folder, which is this, my virtual environment, and then this is the file in which we are going to write our code. So I'm going to open this in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so nice, we have our Visual Studio Code editor here. I mean, you can use any editor at all that you want. So I'm going to disable the Python linter. We don't need it now. And the first thing I'm going to do is to import cv2, and this is how you import opencv. Okay, now we need to download an image from the internet to be able to manipulate. So I like Ronaldinho, so I'm going to look for a picture of Ronaldinho Gaucho, and I will download that so that we can test with it. Okay, Gaucho. Okay, I like this picture, so I'm going to just save image as, and I will go to my desktop, CV, and I will call it photo, and it's a JPG file. Cool. Okay, so now I have the picture of Ronaldinho saved into this directory. As you can see, it is called photo.jpg. Okay, so let's go to our code and load it. So I'm going to say image is equal to cv2.imread. The imread function is what you use to read images from your local machine. Okay, and so you need to give it a path to the image you want to load, and in our case it's called image.jpg. okay, so now that we have loaded, let me add some comments. So reading image into memory. Okay, now we need to show the image, so this is how we do it: showing image on screen. Okay, to show the image, we use a function called cv2.imShow, and then what you pass here is the name of the window in which you want to show the image, but the name you give here also becomes the title of that window. So I'm going to call my photo, or in fact you could put any name there. Let me say Ronaldinho. I hope I spelled it right. And then I'll say, so basically what I'm saying here is that I want to show this image in a window that is titled Ronaldinho, but actually in opencv, this Ronaldinho thing is going to be the name of that window, and in later videos we can see how to create and use named windows. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to run this, and to our surprise, it's not going to work. Later I will fix it and explain to you why it didn't work. Let me disable this linter. Okay, cool. So I have saved it, and in my terminal I'm going to do python 3 app.py. What? So we were expecting to see an image of Ronaldinho on our desktop, and we are not seeing anything. Why? The reason is, once you call imShow, the window shows and it goes away. So opencv has a function called waitkey. Okay, it has a function called waitkey, which takes as a parameter the number of milliseconds you want the window to wait, and then it will go off. So if I put 1000 milliseconds, what I'm trying to say is that I want the window to show up and show wait for 1 second, and then it will go away. But if I want it to wait indefinitely until any key is pressed on the keyboard, then I can put 0 in there. Now once a key is pressed, it is a good practice to destroy every window that we created. So I'll say cv2.destroy all windows. Okay, now I'm going to save this, and let's come here and run it again. Nice. So this is the picture of Ronaldinho. We loaded it from the disk, and we are showing it in a window, and just see how simple it is. Without a comment, it is about 1 2 3 4 5. With just 5 lines of code, you are able to read images from the disk, and then you are also able to show it in a window. So thank you for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to read images from URLs, okay? Because it's not all the time you are going to work with images or videos that are available on your local machine. So I'll see you in the next video.